Now let's talk about the tools that you will most frequently use in making energy balls. The first one is a multi-speed food processor. This comes in really handy, and that is the most used tool for making energy balls. Now the second one, you are going to need a bowl, a mixing bowl, and a nice rubber spatula. This one has nice flexible edges, which would make it easier to scrape the items. Now you're going to want to have some sort of a platter or a tray into which you will be placing your energy balls. Try not to make too much noise here. Then we have parchment paper that might come in handy, especially if you put in something in the freezer, or if you are toasting or baking some sort of nuts or coconut flakes to make the coating. Then we have measuring cups, and we have measuring spoons, and we have your knives. Make sure to keep them sharp. Now there's a separate class on knife scales, which you have to check out. And we have a cutting board if you are chopping anything like nuts for the coating again, but you may or may not need that. Now there are also a couple of things that we will be using for these particular recipes today, which will be a little pot to make the raspberry sauce for the raspberry chocolate balls, and we'll be using also a sieve to get that fine powder for coating the raspberry balls. But that's not the most common tools that you will use, but we will use them today, so keep them on hand and keep that in mind.